Today's tip: check Cunard's Late Sailing Offers. If you're flexible and travelling in the next 3 months, you'll find some cracking deals, although the page is a bit buried on the website. Here's my trick. Use Quick Look and you'll see the lowest fare, usually an inside cabin. Under £100 per person per night? That's my signal to dig deeper. Right now I can see Queen Elizabeth from Miami to the Caribbean at £58 per night. Queen Victoria from Barcelona to Southampton at £68. And the Queen Mary 2 transatlantic at £71. Earlier this year, I even snagged one at £49 per person per night. It's the starting price, upgrades cost more, but you can score some amazing value here. That's day 49 of 50 Cunard tips in 50 days. See you tomorrow.